As you can see, the Beagle has a flat tire. So I'm going to remove the tire, pull that screw, and try out the plug kit. Maybe I can just unscrew it. I'm pretty sure that's a screw from an interior piece or the mud flaps. I think that's probably what it's from. What do you know? Well, that's just fucking great. Alright, so remove any punctured objects, insert reamer tool into the hole, slide up and down to roughen and clean inside of hole. Remove plug material from protective backing, insert into eye plunger needle, and coat with rubber cement. I guess that's one of these things. Alright, there's the picture, and we got that. Let's put some of that shit on it. The smell of that stuff reminds me of building model airplanes or cars. With plug centered in the eye of the needle, insert into puncture until plug is pushed approximately 2/3 of the way in. Pull needle straight out in rapid motion. Sorry, I'm all shaky. I don't have my whatever the fuck you call it. There's the picture. Alright, let's try it out. Get in there. I'm gonna need two hands. Alright, we got it in there. Now we need to yank it out. Okay. Cut off excess plug material. Be flush with the tire. Cutting tool is not recommended or not included. Doesn't look pretty, but hopefully it'll work. Alright, success. Alright, it's been about 2 weeks now, and the tire is holding. So I would say definitely a success. And the screw that came out is still in there, so I think we're good. So like I said, it's been about 2 weeks, and the tire seems to be holding air. Haven't had any problems with it. It's not leaking. It's not, leaking air slowly or anything. So I'm pretty happy with the kit. It was pretty easy. The whole process took, I don't know, 15 minutes. It probably take a little bit less time if you do not take the tire off, but I just did that to make it easier to see everything as I'm recording, because this can be done while the tire is still on the car. The slime kit, I don't know, I'd say it works. It was like 10 bucks. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy it off of Amazon. It'll save you money in the long run, because if you go to a tire shop, it'll cost you like $15 to $20 for one plug. This, you have the whole kit. You can put it in your trunk, and so if you're on the road and you have a flat tire, a nail in your tire, you can just pull it out and do it right there on the side of the road. It's definitely worth it, and it seems to work pretty good. This is not a paid endorsement. I bought it myself, and hopefully this video helps you out. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you all in the next video.